So Tesla just dropped a bombshell that's got the entire tech world talking. A $20,000 humanoid robot that works 24 hours a day. Find out now. Yeah, you heard that right. Elon Musk has officially confirmed it on the Q1 2026 earnings call. The Tesla bot Optimus is on its way to your home for the same price as a used Honda Civic. And here's what's really crazy. This thing is designed to vacuum your floors, do your dishes, fold your laundry, and prep your meals for up to 16 hours a day, every single day, without ever asking for a paycheck. As Elon himself put it on that call, Optimus has the potential to be more significant than the vehicle business over time. It would be the biggest product ever, not just Tesla's biggest product ever. Bigger than the Model Y, bigger than the Cybertruck, bigger than every Tesla car combined. But can a $20,000 robot truly replace your maid? Let's break it all down. All right, let's start with the numbers, because this is where things get really interesting. According to the latest May 2026 salary data, the average full-time housekeeper in the United States earns $33,933 per year. That breaks down to about $16.31 an hour. And honestly, that's just the starting point. If you're hiring through a vetted in-home platform like Care.com, you're looking at $24.59 an hour. In high-cost cities like Atherton and Cupertino, full-time housekeepers are pulling $43,000 a year. For a live-in situation, the national average jumps to $55,700, and in coastal cities it easily clears $70,000. But here's the part most people don't even think about. That salary number is just the tip of the iceberg. Once you pay a domestic worker more than $3,000 a year, you trigger what the IRS calls the nanny tax. You owe 7.65% in FICA. You owe federal and state unemployment taxes. In states like New York, you're legally required to carry workers' compensation insurance, add in 15 days of paid time off, and that $31,200 housekeeper is suddenly costing your household closer to $40,000 a year. For a high-end live-in situation with health benefits and a 401k match, that number can balloon past $139,000 annually. Now let's put Optimus right next to those numbers. Tesla's long-term consumer price target is firmly anchored under $20,000. The high end for early enterprise sales sits at around $30,000. Even if you assume the worst-case scenario, $30,000 up front, $4,000 a year in maintenance, $1,000 in software updates, and $500 in electricity, you're looking at a total annual cost of about $11,500. And the math doesn't stop there. Because of fast charging that hits 50% in just 45 minutes, and wireless charging mats that let the robot run on grid power while it works stationary tasks, Optimus can put in 16 hours of active labor a day, 365 days a year. That's 5,840 hours of work annually. Compare that to a human housekeeper, who after PTO and sick days yields about 2,000 hours. Do the math. The human costs you $18.37 an hour of actual labor. Optimus costs $1.96. That's nearly 10 times cheaper than the lowest tier legal labor in America. And the math gets absolutely insane. Okay, let's paint the picture. Imagine you walk through the front door after a brutal day at work. The mail is on the counter, sorted. The dishes from this morning are washed and put away. Your laundry is folded and stacked on your bed. The floors are vacuumed. The cat box is clean. Dinner is prepping on the stove. You didn't ask anyone to do it. You didn't schedule a service. You didn't pay a cleaning company. Your Optimus just handled it. Because that's what it does. Every single day. Imagine waking up Saturday morning and instead of staring at a sink full of dishes, you're staring at a fresh cup of coffee that your robot just brewed. Imagine your aging mother in the guest room, and Optimus is keeping her bathroom spotless, reminding her about her medications, and watching for falls while you're at work. Imagine your weekend back. Imagine never arguing with your spouse again about whose turn it is to do the laundry. Imagine reclaiming the 14 hours a week that the Bureau of Labor Statistics says the average dual-income household burns on chores. That's 2 full workdays, every single week, forever, for the amortized cost of a used Honda Civic. That's the world Elon Musk is building toward. And honestly, it's not as far off as it sounds. Optimus units are already physically operating inside Tesla's factories. Mass production starts this summer. The first commercial units hit the market in 2027. The future looks like the future, folks. Now, Tesla isn't the only company chasing this market. Let's give credit where it's due. Figure AI has the Figure 02 already deployed at BMW manufacturing plants with over 1,250 operational hours logged. 1X Technologies has the NEO Home Robot priced at the same $20,000, or $499 a month, explicitly designed for domestic chores. Unitree's G1 starts at $16,000 and is currently the global leader by volume, shipping around 5,500 units in 2025. Agility Robotics has Digit running on a robotics-as-a-service model at Amazon and Toyota for around $11 to $15 an hour fully loaded. But here's the thing. None of these competitors have what Tesla has. Nobody else is sitting on a 5.2 million square foot Optimus factory at Giga Texas designed to crank out 10 million units a year. Nobody else has a 500 megawatt Cortex 2.0 supercomputer training their neural networks. Nobody else has a vision-only AI stack proven on millions of Tesla vehicles already on the road. And nobody else is committing over $20 billion in capital expenditure in 2026 just for this one product. Tesla isn't competing on robotics. Tesla is competing on manufacturing scale. And honestly, we think that's a fight nobody else can win. Now we know what some of you are thinking, and it's totally fair. Let's address the doubts head-on. First, the Teleoperation controversy. At the We Robot event back in October 2024, those Optimus units pouring drinks at the bar, they were not fully autonomous. Tesla's own engineering lead, Milan Kovac, later admitted the robots were human-assisted to some extent, relying on remote operators wearing motion capture suits. And in December 2025 at the Miami event, an Optimus unit fell over and instinctively swept its hands up to its face. The exact motion a human makes when ripping off a VR headset. The hardware is ready. The software, honestly, is still catching up. But here's what's exciting. Tesla just brought the first 250 megawatts of the Cortex 2.0 supercomputer online in April. By mid-2026, it'll hit the full 500 megawatts. That's the AI training engine. The autonomy gap closes fast. Second, the safety question. A 125-pound metal robot moving around your kids and your pets. That's a real concern. But Tesla's vision system can already track unpredictable pedestrians and dogs at 60 miles an hour on the highway. Navigating your living room at 3 miles an hour is a much easier problem. Tesla has also built in force limiting at every joint and collision avoidance algorithms borrowed straight from the full self-driving stack. Third, and this is the big one, the privacy issue. A robot with a dozen 4K cameras roaming your home is a data security nightmare. We can't ignore Tesla's 2023 camera scandal, when employees were caught sharing private vehicle footage internally. Tesla says the new AI-5 chip processes data locally without uploading interior footage to the cloud. Whether consumers actually trust that promise, well, that's the make-or-break question for this whole product. This is a journey, not a destination, but the trajectory is real. Let's step back and paint the bigger picture, because what's coming is bigger than just a fancy household appliance. The United States is staring down a demographic cliff. By 2034, that's only 8 years from now, we're going to be short 8.9 million direct care and domestic workers. The population of adults over 65 is exploding to 88.8 million. The ratio of working-age adults to seniors is collapsing from 31 to 1 down to just 12 to 1. Society is literally running out of human bodies to clean homes, care for the elderly, and keep daily life moving. The humanoid robot isn't a luxury anymore. It's a macroeconomic necessity. Goldman Sachs just revised its forecast 6 times upward. The humanoid robotics market hits $38 billion by 2035. Morgan Stanley is projecting a $5 trillion ecosystem by 2050, with 1 billion humanoid robots deployed globally. 1 billion. That's bigger than the smartphone. That's bigger than the automobile. Elon called it the biggest product of all time. And for once, the math actually backs up the hype. Rosie the robot from the Jetsons isn't a cartoon anymore. She's coming off a factory floor in Texas. And in 2027, she could be standing in your kitchen. Now we want to hear from you. What do you think about a $20,000 robot replacing your maid? Would you actually buy one outright? Would you rent first? And if it were you, what would be the maximum monthly payment you'd consider for a humanoid robot that works 24 hours a day in your home? Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. With that, we hope you learned a lot about Tesla's Optimus robot and what it could mean for your home after watching this video. If you did, we humbly ask that you please press that like button and join our family by subscribing to the channel. You'll never miss out on any of our awesome videos once you hit that bell icon. We value your feedback and the time you spent watching this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you back here soon. Until then, take care, stay safe, and God bless.